This is Nash speaking, and welcome to Tech, where I am gonna cover different type of tech that I could afford. So let's begin. Today we have an unboxing. I'm excited because I just got this from Lazada, and we're gonna do an unboxing right here, right now. So let's begin. It is ta-da! This is the ZNT GamePods wireless gaming earbuds. I am excited to share with y'all because I like the design of the casing, which we're gonna see together firsthand. And before we begin, let's see what are the features they are promoting. So as you can see, it's a very unique box. It says here it has gaming mode, music mode, it has Bluetooth 5, 400 milliamp hours, IPX5 Water resistant, and each of the earbuds contains about 50 milliamp hours. So how much did I bought this? It is about $34 from the official website, but during discount on sale it will be about $29.99. So it's quite interesting. I mean, it's quite affordable for me. So according to ZNT, it says when you open the charging case, it connects automatically. Next, it can switch up to gaming mode, which will goes to up to 65 milliseconds with real low latency, and also 200 milliseconds during music mode for hi-fi sound quality, for about better hi-fi fidelity sound quality, and it will have dynamic range and excellent acoustics. So this we're gonna try it later. So as you can see in this picture right here, according to them, using their PixArt chip, it will achieve way better latency compared to aptX. I'm not the person to check it out, but I'm pretty sure it will be quite accurate to the sound from the phone or to the earbuds. It can last up to 20 hours of playtime. Each earbuds withstanding about up to 5 hours of non-stop listening. For the connection wise, it says no need to press any buttons, just remove from the headset from the box and the power will automatically turn on and start pairing. And next is it has hi-fi stereo sound. It says choose special drivers with an upgraded SW, provided loud volume and lossless sound quality for hi-fi music, all stereo, phone calls, enjoy deep bass, clear travel, and crystal human voice. Alright. So enough of the mumbo jumbo. Let's actually open this box. Right. So, whoop. Alright. Alright, let's do it. Go. Unboxing right now. Oh, wow. I like the aesthetic of the color of purple and black. Okay, it looks simple enough. And it's just a simple lid right here. Whoop. Damn, that's cool. Look at that. It's smaller than I expected, but not too crazy. And yeah, now I'm trying to open this. It's really secure. So as you can see, this is the earbuds right here. And yep, okay, seems to be a bit on the large side. And inside the box here, it has Type-C cable, the instruction manual, and the earbuds. So yep, so it says here that if you connect it through Bluetooth, it will say ZNT GamePods. So yep, we're gonna try this, and I will catch you all later. Yes. Okay, before we connect to our phone, one thing I just noticed, when you open the box, it's like, woo! Look at that! That light. Even the earbuds also, each of them has its own purple lights. So once you just put it in, it will start to charge. As you can see, when you close, it will indicate on each of the earbuds that is being connected. As you can see, it's blinking right now. Cool stuff. So now, time for the connection. Alright, welcome back to the connection phase. Well, it is pretty much simple. There's a English person will be talking, will like say, oh da 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 ba wow. Alright, so I have connected to the ZNT GamePods. So I found it very interesting that the box is mainly matte finish, and when you open the box, it will show there's battery, and also when you're charging this box, it will start to blink the purple light. And what if you put your earbuds in the GamePod, it will actually light individual light to indicate whether it is connected or not. And if once the earbud is fully charged, it will just turn off the light. So I found it quite interesting, and the fitting is actually not too bad. It's quite comfortable. It will just stays in the ear, so I can actually show the picture right here. And in terms of size wise, the closest one that I have tried, which is I can compare the size to be with the Anker Soundcore Live Pro, which is, as you can see, it is almost the same chunkiness. So I'm not sure about the portability, but yeah, so it's certainly not going to win the most slimmest earbuds. And I'm pretty sure if you put in your pockets, yeah, it's not as uncomfortable as the Soundcore, but certainly not as nicely fit compared to the Basus. So yep, as you can see here, once I put it in, you can see there's a light indicate right here, means it's charging right now. So it's quite interesting. And once you open it up, it will just say power on, and once it paired with each other, it will say paired. And the weird part is it will individually say paired instead of just one sound together. So about the control wise, you can see on the screen right now, it is one touch on the left to lower down the volume, one touch on the right to increase the volume, double tap on either side to play or pause song, triple tap on the right to play the next song, triple tap on the left to go to the previous song, and on the left side, if you press and hold for 2 seconds, it will be Google Assistant or whatever assistant you are using. And on your right side, it will say gaming mode. And also if you press it again, it will say music mode. So yeah, so it's quite interesting. I so far quite impressed with the design, the comfort wise, and as well as the sound. So I might try a bit of tests here and there to see whether the gaming mode does any difference in terms of watching movies, watching shows, watching YouTube, and maybe occasionally I will try play some games to see how's the feedback rate like. But yeah, this is the ZNT GamePods, the unboxing, and so far I quite like it, and do stay tuned to find out what is the outcome. If you have not already know, I already started a new series called In Search of the Ideal Earphones. So while the series goes on, this probably will be reviewed in a few months time. So I hope you could like and also see my other videos. And if you don't know how my criteria goes, you can check on the video link right now and watch more of my video. Yeah, and also thank you for watching. This is Nash from Type Tech, and I will catch you on next time. See ya.